Hey friends, if you wish to fix the issue where the Chinese input is not working on your computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, before proceeding with anything, I want you to know one thing. Every keyboard does not support the Mandarin language, so you may still face issues no matter what you try, but let us still try. Right click on the start button and then select settings from the menu. Go to the time and language tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select language and region. Wait for it to load. Click on add a language. Search for Mandarin. Okay, it doesn't exist. We will also search for Chinese simplified. And then you can select the mainland China one. Click on next and then you can install it. So we are basically installing Chinese simplified for mainland China and not for Singapore or Hong Kong. You can try this if you have an appropriate keyboard. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.